Here is a demonstration of what happens to passengers during a collision at under 60 kilometers per hour. Now, just in case you didn't get it, we'll repeat that demonstration.
Putting a seatbelt or restraint on your child when you get into a car will cost a few seconds of your time. Not putting a seatbelt or restraint on your child will cost you around $170 and loss of 3 demerit points. If you have a crash as well, it could cost your child's life. Understand the difference a seatbelt makes? A message from the Government of South Australia and the Motor Accident Commission.